This is a solar inverter for serious off-grid systems. This particular unit is now 11 kilowatt in a single phase. You can expand it to a 3-phase or multiple inverters on a single phase with up to 6 units. We have some special new features. Number one, much easier access to the power terminals. You just lift the front panel of the inverter, you put the support, and you can access all the terminals. Why this inverter is so special? We have 2 AC inputs from 2 independent power sources. It can be the grid or a diesel generator. And we have 2 AC outputs, completely independent. You can share the load across 2 independent AC outputs at 230 volts. There is a nice metallic earthing plate where you can put your wires. All the AC inputs and outputs are fully protected. And if we look on the DC side, for first time, we have the DC breaker integrated with the solar inverter. You don't need an external DC breaker. A copper bus bar on the battery terminals, and of course, 2 powerful, completely independent MPPT controllers. The maximum PV input is 12 kilowatts. The inverter is 11 kilowatts, but we can install up to 12 kilowatts of solar panels on this unit. Let's look at the front of the cover. I'm gonna put it down now. The menu is quite rich. You can do a lot of modifications. You can adjust the system the way you want to operate. But we have 12 of the most important parameters of the inverter on the front screen. So without scrolling up and down the main menu of the inverter, all the important parameters of the inverter are available straight from the front panel. On the side, plenty of ventilation. This is an indoor unit. We have powerful fans up there. And from this side, we have another cooling fan. And this blue button here is the power on. This is the DC isolator for the solar panels and some MC4 connectors for the 2 independent solar arrays. The inverter is compatible with the AGM batteries, the flooded batteries, good old technology, but it has a number of BMS protocols pre-installed for a direct communication with the most advanced lithium-ion batteries in the market. Lastly, we have also integrated a Wi-Fi controller inside the inverter. So if you want to monitor your inverter remotely, you don't need to buy an extra system. Just download the iSolar app using your Apple phone or an Android-based phone, and you have full access to the parameters of the inverter. You can also control the inverter and do different modifications when you are away from the installation. Conversol MAX-III is the next generation of reliable, powerful, and scalable solar inverters that operate completely off-grid. But if you really want to run this inverter in parallel with your national grid, using the current transformer or a CT, you can convert this inverter into a proper hybrid one. So, using this kind of technology, you take control of your energy and enjoy the reliable way to power a more independent life.